Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Devana from the Accounting Study Program at Technocrat Indonesia University. Here I will explain the material about international trade and investment. In the current era of economic globalization, countries around the world are increasingly connected to each other through cross-border economic activities. The two main aspects that drive economic relations between countries are international trade and international investment. Both are important pillars in global economic growth and a country's development. International trade is the buying and selling of goods and services between one country and another. This activity occurs because no single country is able to fulfill all of its economic needs independently. Thus, international trade allows countries to obtain goods and services that cannot be produced efficiently in the country, as well as market their excess production to other countries. Objective of international trade: 1. Meeting the needs of goods and services that are not available locally. 2. Optimizing a country's comparative advantage. 3. Increase production efficiency and economic growth. 4. Increase the country's income through variety and change. 5. Expanding the market for domestic product. 6. Encourage technology transfer and innovation. Benefit of international trade: 1. Consumers get more choice of goods at competitive price. 2. Companies have the opportunity to expand their market and increase the scale of production. 3. There is a transfer of technology and an increase in the quality of human resource. 4. The opening of the jobs in the export and import sectors. Barriers to international trade: although beneficial, international trade also face various barriers, such as 1. Tariff and import duties. 2. Import quotas. 3. Export subsidies from other countries. 4. Strict regulation, or for example, product safety standard. 5. Protectionism and trade wars. Supporting organization. One organization that plays an important role in regulating international trade is the WTO, or World Trade Organization. Its goal is to create a fair, open, and predictable trading system. The relationship between international trade and investment. International trade and investment are closely linked. Companies that invest abroad usually also export or import goods and services to support their business operation. On the other hand, foreign investment can strengthen a country's position in the global value chain and increase trade volume. For example, when a Japanese automotive company builds a factory in Indonesia, or FDI, there will be an inflow of technology, automotive components from Japan, or imports, and production of cars that are then exported to other countries. These activities create jobs, increase export, and boost national economic growth.